Good morning. You join us at the end of breakfast. We're in the conservatory. If I can make the background the focus. Okay, there we go. So we've got the waterfall and then all the plants and stuff. And then behind me, just the rocks and the little pool thing. It's quite nice scenery. Yeah. So we stuffed ourselves. I've still got one pastry left before we go. Pete's had his, fist-size omelette, which he's enjoyed. Yeah, so this morning I think we're going to go look at some rocks. They have an archaeological site in the hotel, so I thought we'd just go for a little wander there. And then it'll be back to the pool. I have 20% left of my book, so I'd like to finish that today. And then we'll see what happens. Don't know what will happen after that. Go with the flow, as they say. So we're walking along the archaeological bit, which is just some rocks, but we mainly came for the views. Here comes Pete. He was trying to be all artistic and get a photo with me, but I think I'm just a dot. Here he comes.
I think people want to see the view, not me.
No, we can have all of it.
The view's good.
And there's our hotel. Ooh. There's the sea. Come see the sea. 3 years. Pete's climbing on the last page. So we epilogue.
Can't stop filming now.
No.
I've still got a few pages left, so I'm not going to give me a quick one. That was the last page. I can't read what it is.
Well, tough, you gotta read it. How does it feel, Pete? Finished a book. A whole one and everything.
Just about one of those. She's way better than she said she is. 27, not bad. Not bad.
I was winning. If we stop like 3 rounds in,
Yeah, she was winning for the first 3 rounds. I got lots of prices first. It's all good.
we found something that I can do better than Pete.
Dead.
He's dead.
I touched it.
He's like out the shot now. So, obviously I'm no longer in Gran Canaria and I didn't end the video, nor did I film the next day. What happened, and you may have heard it in my voice in some of the clips, was that I got a bit ill. I got a cold from the plane going out because everyone was coughing and spluttering around me, and I just didn't feel very good on the last day. So we really did just lay around the pool and I read books. I actually read Alice in Wonderland that day. But yeah, so, and I really wasn't up for being on show, so to speak. So we didn't end it, but we got there, we got home, we had a lovely time. It's just unfortunate that I picked up a bit of a cold while we were there, which made filming more difficult. Like to apologise for the last couple of clips that you will have seen and how ill-fitting it was with my bikini underneath, but it's just the most comfortable and easy thing to fling on. I didn't realise I was going to be jumping around on a trampoline wearing it. I probably would have put on my gym clothes that I did take with me, although I didn't go to the gym. Had I known I was going to be doing that instead of that blue playsuit, but hopefully you'll forgive me for that. So yeah, that's the end of our trip to Gran Canaria. As I said, we had a really nice time. It was really nice to get away and spend some time with Pete. Obviously we're now back home, so you're going to see a couple of weekend vlogs. So they'll be coming up in the next few weeks for you. So thank you for watching. If you have enjoyed our little jaunt to Gran Canaria, then please subscribe, like, comment. It just means that more people can find this channel, and that would mean the world to me. So thank you again for watching. See you next time.